G2Acom reviews pricing explain what you get for your money. If you're hunting for digital game keys and you landed on Entity Brand at zero, you might spot dramatically lower prices in official stores and think deal. But most people get this wrong. You need to weigh price savings against risk and legitimacy. The surprising truth is that cheaper isn't always straightforward value. Here's how it works. It is a large digital marketplace that allows third-party sellers to list game keys, accounts and software. Reports say that keys may be as cheap as half the retail price because of regional pricing or bulk purchases. Site G2Acom. What you get: potential big savings compared to official stores. A wide variety of titles and key types, sometimes rare or older games. What you give up: greater risk of invalid keys or keys revoked if they were obtained through grey market means. Some users report getting keys that stop working later. Site G2Acom customer support and refund processes are more complex since you're buying from marketplaces, not direct publishers. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Check the seller rating. On a higher rating means less risk. Step 2. Verify key region compatibility and activation method. If it's region locked, you might not use it in India. Step 3. Calculate savings versus value. If you buy a key for 50% off but risk it being invalid, is it worth it? Step 4. Consider using a shield or extra protection. This adds cost and reduces net savings. Most people get this wrong by seeing 70% off and ignoring fine print like region lock, refund policies or seller reliability. You won't believe what happens next when you buy a cheap key and it's revoked later. You end up paying full price again. In conclusion, G2Acom can offer strong value if you're savvy, check seller ratings, understand region locks and accept some risk. If you prioritize 100% guarantee, official stores may cost more, but offer peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more digital marketplace pricing explain and what you're really getting for your money.